When it comes to cleaning your razor gear, razors, brushes, things like that, there's a few things that you need, a few things you might not need, but a lot of things I recommend. First thing you're going to need is some vinegar. You can use this Pyrex cup thing and some warm water. This will be for cleaning synthetic brushes. We're going to do 1 part water to 1 part vinegar. Now that that's all heated up and put together, you can just put your brush in and leave it in there for, you can either do like 10 minutes or 2 beers. So I don't like using my timer. I'm just gonna have a couple beers. While we're waiting for that brush to clean up, we can use the Zingari Man all-purpose brush cleaner, like that, on like a Badger brush. For that, I'm going to use this bowl, and I wet my brush just a smidge. I'm just going to run like you would be building lather for your face, just right here. You just build it in. And then what I'm going to do is grab one of my mugs, fill it up with water. Now that I have that soap kind of lathered in there, just gonna put it in there, let it soak for a little bit, and have some more beer. For me, I usually clean all my brushes at least once a month, unless I'm using one brush in particular, like this Chisel and Hound one I use a lot. I will clean this like once a week if I use it more than once in a week. Just good practice. Anytime you can get that soap scum off or what have you, you're in good shape. But I'm doing these to get ready for my mystery boxes. So if you are selling brushes to people, I recommend doing a deep clean before you send them off to anybody, because that's just bad form. Bad form. Now I have my ultrasonic cleaner, my Magnasonic, and I'm going to use this for razors. If I was just cleaning these for myself, I would probably just do the ultrasonic with like a little bit of dish soap and a little bit of water, but I'll show you. As the ultrasonic cleaner is running, you want to make sure it's got no blades in it, because you don't want to be digging your hands in there. I actually separated the pieces. You can clean like the threads and stuff, so it is separable. Maybe try that. However, for like my Rockwell T2, I'm going to open it up so it's loosey-goosey when I put it in there. I typically wash my safety razors once a month, the ones that I've used. This has so much soap scum on it. Now that this is out, I can rinse it off in some regular water. But I'll put my Rockwell 6C into the wash now. Gotta get ready for you guys. Synthetic Zingari Man one is clean, which is cool. I just need to let it air dry, and then I'll rub it against a towel, and it'll be ready for you, or for you, or for you, or over there. Maybe somebody over there. If you are going to use vinegar with like a Badger or boar hair brush, I would probably do 1 part vinegar, 9 parts water, whatever that equates out to. 1 part vinegar, 9 parts water. If you have hard water like I have, you may find using distilled water and the soap best for when cleaning your razors. But because I'm going to be using the isopropyl alcohol, not a huge deal to me. It's a bit over cleaning, I think, to use the isopropyl alcohol. But because somebody else is going to be using these, I want to make sure I clean them as best as possible. So I'm not a D-bag. So I have this little rag. It doesn't matter what rag you use, really. This is a microfiber. I'm just going to kind of put it on there. And then for my Alpha Outlaw, just kind of get in there. I used to use isopropyl alcohol on my bowling ball to clean like the grease and stuff off of that. Isopropyl alcohol. And that is ready for our mystery box. Just like your brush after you shave, you want to just kind of clean it out and then also drain the water from the hair, so when it dries without soap and stuff. So this one is just about ready for our mystery box. This was Zach's from Moon Soaps first turned brush handle, and it's beautiful. It's from like a street sign, I believe, is what Melody was telling me. And it has a hybrid knot, so 30% boar, 70% badger. I like it a lot. It's got some backbone. Whoever gets this one is going to be a very happy camper with this brush. It is very clean. It smells good. It smells like it should. And that is ready for a mystery box. The mystery boxes do not include things I do not like. If I had recommended them in the past, I would probably still recommend them today. I just need to change up some stuff. The Parker variant, the Rockwell Model T2, the soaps and everything doesn't mean I don't like them, and that's why I'm getting rid of them. It means that I like them, and I just don't have enough face to shave with all these things, and I want somebody else to enjoy them as much as I would love to.